In a few minutes we'll board the plane to Singapore, which is really cool because, as we mentioned before, this hasn't been planned from the beginning. So it's gonna be really cool to see, and we've heard so much good about it. So hopefully they will not take any of our stuff. We had some chewing gum, but we threw them away because that's illegal there. So yeah, it will be fine, I hope. We got through, and we are at the best airport in the world, Singapore. So far we've not seen okay, this looks pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. But so far we haven't seen like anything wow, so special. And when you come to Singapore, you have to fill out a special, like, I don't know what they call it, survey or something. But we did our homework and did everything beforehand, so it was very smooth to go through. They have like new technology to take your prints, from thumbs and everything, so it goes really smooth. Really convenient. You can take the bus for free to Terminal 2, and there you can buy a MRT pass, and then you can just go around for like 2 days for the same pass. So that's really easy, simple. We just took the bus from Terminal 1 to Terminal 2 for free, and we got down to the MRT, got 2 cards, and those are $34 each, Singaporean dollars, and 10 of those dollars are like a deposit, so in the end you'll just pay 24 per person, and this is for 3 days, unlimited travel with MRT. So that's really reasonable, I think, because we're living on a budget, because obviously we're backpacking, and we're in Singapore right now, which is a really expensive country. We're going to live in a capsule for 2 nights in a hostel, so this will be cool to see how it looks and how it feels to be there. I watch a lot of videos when people are sleeping in a capsule, so time for us to do it the same.
Welcome to our crib.
This is a bit spacious, it looks really nice. And then we have lockers for our important stuff. Our first meal in Singapore. Everything here looks so luxurious. Wow. And we're just about to go to the bay.
Marinas by the bay. By Sands.
We're just about to go to the Marina Bay Sands. Ah, I found a casino. Oh. Look at this. Atoll is in the middle of the water. That's insane. This place is awesome, completely, like, it's hard to explain with words. It's just wow. We're living off 7-Eleven right now.
The only thing we can afford.
Yeah. And yesterday evening we were at Marina Bay in Singapore, and it was beautiful. It was such an awesome place. And today we're going to, what was the place called?
Gardens by the Bay, I think.
Yeah, Gardens something Bay, I think, with the MRT. And yeah, Singapore is really expensive, food and everything, compared to all the other countries we've been to. Now you can see the hotel during the day, and it's huge. And up there you have like restaurants, you have a big infinity pool. I think it is one of the highest in the world, or it maybe used to be, I'm not sure. Maybe Dubai is making up the first place now. But this looks insane. This is a huge building. Wow. And look at this here. Here you have the super big trees. Beautiful park. And it's so clean out here. Like, it's so different compared to all the other countries we've been to so far. It looks like to be in a movie. It's so beautiful. Here we have the cloud forest, but as we've mentioned before, it's really expensive here, so one ticket for one person costs 34 Singaporean dollars, so that's a bit. So we'll see. We probably will skip that out, unfortunately, but we've seen so much already, so we'll do some other activities instead, walking around here. We are at Marina Barrage right now, and this is the view we get from here. So beautiful. And I really want to do something here, but we're not really sure if it's 100% allowed. I've checked the rules online and everything, and from my case it looks fine, but I'll have to find some security to check with them so I don't get in trouble. And it's really warm today. It's like 30 something degrees. And the sun is shining, but let's not complain coming from Hajanluptor where it was really cold. Let's just be happy and enjoy. Our mission is complete. I asked a security guy if I'm allowed to fly here, and he said yes. And then, just to be 100% sure, I made sure to record it when he said yes. So, success. It looked really awesome. We'll see after when I'll edit, but it looked really good because the sun is shining. And look at this here. So many ships out in the sea. That's cool. I'll show you the prices here at 7-Eleven. So a small Sprite costs almost $3. A Coke is $3.60. Then we have some snacks. Look at this, like it's really expensive. $7.40 for some truffle. Nice. So yeah, everything is really expensive. We are back at the same place as we were at before.
Because I want to see the light show.
Yes. So we'll see the light show. It should be in like 20 minutes. And we already see some people that's gathered here. So hopefully it will be nice. Right now we're in Chinatown and there's a lot of people. Time to check out from our capsule. And to be honest, it was much better than we expected. Like, everything was perfect. You have power outlets, you have good lights. You have a fan here, you have a fan inside as well. The people sleeping here were really quiet. Toilets were perfect, like even though they were shared, no one did any big mess. It was really clean. The staff is really nice, so really recommended here in Singapore. The place is called like Hive Space Pod, I think. So really good. Finally we got some normal food for once here in Singapore. Before we leave, our flight is like in 6 hours, so we'll eat, take it easy, get some snacks at 7-Eleven, and then we'll move to the airport to check that out because it's a really special airport. Here you can see the menu. We got the signature wonton foo noodles, dry, for only 6 Singaporean dollars, and this their #1 bestseller. And it was really good, especially the wonton noodles with the meat inside. Wow. On our way to the Jewel, you have to walk a fair bit, and I think there it is. I'm not sure.
Yes, it is.
They even have a DJI store here, which is perfect for me. The airport here is really huge, and I can understand why it's one of the best in the world, or it actually is the best in the world. And because this airport is so big, we had to take a bus from one terminal to the other, which we are at right now. And in a few hours, we have a flight to a very tropical place. We are going to
Bali.
really nice. It's gonna be so cool to go to Bali. It's from the beginning, before we went, it was one of those places where we really wanted to go. So yeah, 3 hours of flight and then we should go to Bali. I've never seen a 7-Eleven at the airport, but we're not complaining for sure.